riding, Jake?
It's day one, world time attack.
How many days since you started building the car?
As soon as I got back from Japan, I started. And I have not had a day off since. So I think it's been 5 weeks, to be honest. And yeah. The last week has been
Manic?
Stupid. Like
average sleep?
4 hours is good. It's been a good night. So that over a week, so yeah. Health-wise, I'm absolutely done. I've ripped about 10 years off my life in the last 5 weeks. It was definitely all worth it. Because we're here in our car. I've already dropped the car off this morning. We have already dropped the car off this morning. And
where are we, Jake?
Sydney Motorsport Park. Sorry, I'm absolutely freaking done.
And what event is this?
World Time Attack Challenge. With drifting involved. Anyway, we're going in the gate. How are you, Daniel?
I slept more than you, mate. I need to put my sunglasses on because people don't need to see those eyes.
Yeah. Oh, GCG. Oh, do that. Whoa. No one for the center. Squiddy.
Jake!
That's yours, Jake.
Yeah, look! Oh, good job. Yeah, Jake's still like down the bottom. He said he was asleep, so...
I could casually take this to work.
You could casually take it to work? I reckon we should park it out the front of Toro.
I mean...
Do you reckon? I reckon that'll bring some more cats in. It's clean, isn't it? It's got a launch button. Nice. You don't want to get upside down.
Oh yeah, you look great. Tad. Nice to meet you. Wow.
Yeah.
No, you
Stop
are.
going down on
Kind
me.
of race with
That's up to you to do what you do with your tyres.
On the busy day at the track,
have the Ioniq 5 here
got
in
a bunch of
Australia
school
for the
kids
very
coming in,
first time.
having a seat.
However, I heard on yesterday that you were only going to
Finals
be
going on.
80%.
Skiddy's still working on
Did you
suspension.
cruise that, or did you get a little bit more than 80 once you got going?
There you go.
Hey, buddy.
We're going to come and check out. Cool. See you, bud.
Knife to a gunfight with the MX-5. I'm like, mate, she's a sharp knife, brother.
So as you can see, we got the car straight back to the workshop, which is Powertune. It is just across the road from Sydney Motorsport Park. You can see in the background, the drifting it's on, and there's smoke everywhere. Quite a few people came over. Yep, there's me, really pumped. We're having a few dramas with the alternators getting chewed, so you'll see that in the next clip. But yeah, we just wanted to make sure this car was ready to go, and we're not letting it defeat us. So.
Jay Jones, what are you up to?
Hey, Mr. Jackson.
What do you got in your hand, mate?
I've got a alternator which has a number 3 on it because this will be the 3rd one for the weekend.
Where's that come from?
This has come from the stockpile of Squid's warehouse. Yes.
Oh, can you hear that?
Oh, that sounds like a drift car.
Yeah, crap one.
Have they got alternators?
Maybe you should show the viewers how close the track is from here.
Yeah, you wouldn't.
A little bit of smoke out there. Squid. I think they're breaking traction.
Who? Jacko,
How's it all going?
Master camera, we're on to something. I'm not. I don't know what to say, but we're on a roll.
Hasn't broken down for 5 minutes.
feel like you're struggling to get in, eh?
Wow.
Oh, sorry, bud.
Sydney,
Yeah.
people get shot for less than that, right?
Yeah.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Watch out, Jackie.
How's it going, Jack?
Yeah, it's pumping pretty good.
Alright, Jacob.
But we're on a roll. We're on a roll. It's good.
Good news.
I don't have any answers. I'm too dusty.
Say that 3 times in a row.
Film him.
You got no pump in you. Alright, hold it.
It's been a while.
Oh, I can tell.
Bleeding it?
Holding.
Pump it again.
Oh, she's
That looks so retro.
Pedal, Jake. Pedal.
Why you say working?
Did you say pump it? He started pumping it.
Oh, there's people rocked up behind me, cheer and Peter.
What is that sound when it goes?
No, it's just the fluid coming out from the top, and then once it fills up, it's all good. Hold it.
Holding.
There's a lot of deja vu right now.
Sweet Caroline.
How's it feel now, Jake? A couple of bubbles came out.
Keep going, brother.
Pump it then.
Yeah!
You got it. That's all. Holding.
One more time, Tom.
Sorry.
Again. There's more air came out. Hold.
Hang on. I've got to keep going until it gets rock hard.
Ah, rock hard, brother.
Yeah, I got to get it rock hard.
That might take you a while, eh, Jackie?
Alright, Jake, I'm gonna do it from the bottom now.
Be like the Sonny, but a little bit more of a go. Never done this before.
Whatever I'm going to face with this whole scenario, that is very intrigued. You're so
Cut from sick.
Fuck, these cars are running out, eh? It will. See if it works. If it doesn't work, then there's something wrong with this solenoid, eh?
I don't think you explained what happened at all.
Oh, do you want me to explain what happened?
Whoa, Dyno.
Jake knows. What's he smiling about?
Fuck yeah, boy!